Hi, I'm Felicia, and today I'll be talking about the Cuisinart Mini-Prep Plus food processor. Today I will be making my lunch with it, which will be some sort of parsley pesto. I don't know, we'll see. It's quite easy to assemble. I'm trying to put this on. You twist it to lock it. The blade goes in here, and then you can add the ingredients in, which I will do. I'm not gonna bother chopping it because this should do its job. Okay, maybe I'll rip it a little bit. So the only thing that I guess I kind of have an issue with is that it's really, really loud. Yeah, you can hear it. I really like it. It's compact because it's the Mini-Prep Plus, which means I can easily stuff it into a cupboard or a drawer and have it off of my countertop. It also is the perfect size for 1 to 2 people, which works just as well for me. And it's really versatile. Like, I made hummus out of mine. You can also throw in your garlic and your ginger and have it chop it all up because I hate chopping, and so it works out perfectly for me. You can make pesto. I've also heard that you can make ice cream. I have not tried that yet, but apparently it works. I've made like meatballs, chicken nuggets out of them, but I would, if you do go that route, I would recommend double washing it just because it's meat and it's raw and you'll be using it for other stuff as well. It also has 2 functions. It has a chop option and a grind option, so it kind of depends on what you want to get out of it, but it really works for most things.